Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel Moxie DIY in Java. This is Michelle. Today's video is going to be all about bake sale goodies and treats. So grab your cup of coffee or your favorite beverage and join me in the kitchen. To start, I love doing brownies and blondies for bake sales just because they always sell really great. So for this video, I'm going to be using food stirrers. I really like them because they don't have a bunch of gunk in the ingredients and it tastes good. So to start, we're going to go with the brownies, and I've got 2 eggs, a 1/3 cup of oil, and 1 tablespoon of water. I'm just going to spread this mixture into the pan. My husband actually got me this pan for my birthday, Christmas. Anyway, it's really cool because it has the sections for the brownies, so that way every brownie has a crisp edge and a chewy inside. And now on to the blondies. We're going to add 1 whole egg and an egg yolk, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter that has been cooled. Then we're just going to press this into the baking pan and add the cinnamon sugar on top. The brownies will take around 20 minutes and the blondies will take around 25 minutes. I actually like to underbake my brownies. It keeps them a little more chewy in the middle, and they've always turned out really yummy this way. Now we're going to let them cool and then separate them into their bags. This video is part of the Bake Sale Treats and Desserts collab hosted by Valerie at the Hargett Life. And my video, along with all the others in the playlist, will include lots of inspiration for items that can be sold at bake sales, whether at school, churches, or anywhere else. So I hope that you will check out the playlist and definitely give the other ladies some love. Now I'm going to show you some other items that I love to make for bake sales that also sell really well. Rice Krispie treats always sell well at bake sales, that at least ones that I've been to. And these particular ones I've cut into triangles to represent candy corn. They're really easy to make, and to create the quintessential lines of candy corn, we're going to use cookie icing and colored sanding sugar. I've created some recipe cards so that way you can take screenshots of these recipes. Brittle is another good one to make. I really like the Ghirardelli melting wafers, and you can pretty much add any toppings that you want to it. I've decided in this one to add Oreos, candy corn, sprinkles, and pretzels. Donut snowman is probably the easiest to make because all you need to do is draw a snowman face and attach some hats and ribbons around the packaging. They're so cute. Peeps treats are another variation of the Rice Krispie treat, only this time you're using Peeps instead of marshmallows. I did mine in the microwave and they turned out great. You're going to layer each color in your 9x13 pan, and it creates a really pretty Rice Krispie treat. I want to thank you so much for spending this time with me, and for those of you coming back, hello and thank you. And for those of you that are new, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.